Now, there are two general categories of peptides for stimulating the release of growth hormone. The first category oftentimes are referred to as the GHRH peptides, for growth hormone-releasing hormone peptides. Now, that name has certain problems that we'll get to in a moment, but let's just leave it there for the time being. The second category are what's called the growth hormone-releasing peptides, right? Before we said growth hormone-releasing hormones, that's the first category. Second ones are the growth hormone-releasing peptides. You can already tell why this is getting confusing. Here's what I'm going to do. Rather than use that nomenclature, which is the typical nomenclature that's used, and I must say for which there's a lot of errors when I look out there on various YouTube videos and I look within even some of the reviews that have been written, people get things confused as to whether or not a given peptide that one would use as a therapeutic falls into one or the other category. Okay. In general, category 1 peptides are going to be the ones that have been most thoroughly tested in humans. In some cases, in fact, in several cases, are FDA approved for certain conditions, and yes, are prescribed for other off-label effects. Again, this would be under what I'm calling type 1 growth hormone secreting peptides, is Sirmirelin. Sirmirelin is a synthetic compound designed to mimic naturally occurring growth hormone releasing hormone that is FDA approved for the treatment of short stature. So you can get this by prescription. Sometimes it comes from a compounding pharmacy. Other times it comes directly from pharma for the name brand.